Hello everyone. This software is developed to keep track of sales and inventory for each product. It is completely free with no limitations or restrictions. Designed for entrepreneurs who are starting their business. It is compatible with any USB barcode reader. Additionally, a ticket printer with a detail of each sale can be incorporated. This software is suitable for any business that needs to keep track of inventory and improve sales management. The program is very simple and does not require extensive computer knowledge to implement. Sales can be made using the product code or by identifying it by name or description. It accepts two types of payments, cash and card. At the time of confirming each sale, the sold products are automatically deducted. The daily collection can be viewed at any time. It also shows a detail of all sales made during the day. The inventory report is shown by category, description, or code. The sales report can be consulted by day and by month. And these details show the product sold value and the profit obtained. This system can be installed on any computer with Windows operating system. Support and assistance are included permanently. The download link will be in the description of this video. Also, the link to the video tutorial explains step by step each function for this software.